So guess who's that? Yes, that's right. You have bad wiring connection. I don't know if you can see, but you can see. Look, the greenie inside, the greenie King Kong. Not really. Green dinosaur. It gives you the short circuit, and you gives you actually malfunctional of your remote control. And sometimes yes, sometimes no. So what you do, just twist the cable if you can access, because you need to do what? You need to get the windows open. So then you can get inside, and remote control is getting from the diversity module, which one is located where diversity is actually just the same like BMW E90, X5 is the same, E17 the same. This is a E61. So all of these one, which is a long version like this one, got always the same problems and always in the same place. In this case, yes, we need to somehow get the roof down. Just get these wire will get fixed, and your remote control will work again. Just easy as that. Quick step, easy job.